The Instructor Gradebook tab is where you're going to go to look after all your student affairs, all your registrations, all your course offerings, and kind of see how your students are progressing through the system. Once you're in the Instructor Gradebook, the first thing you'll notice is it displays a listing of all course offerings that currently exist within your organization. You can see their statuses here. You can see some activity information like how many people are currently participating and what the offering status is as well. The first icon that you see here is the manually register students icon. So if you were to click on that icon here, you have the ability to manually register students for your course offering. You could simply just start typing the name of a student. You could identify who that student is, and you can add them to the shopping cart. Likewise, you can also choose to notify the student that they've been manually registered for this course offering. Now, you can add multiple students to the cart, and once you're done adding students to the cart, you could then do one proceed to checkout where you would manually register all of those students at one time versus you having to do each one individually. Now remember, when you manually register a student for a course offering, your organization is responsible for the delivery fee of that particular course. You'll have to make sure that you have enough available funds in your account balance to cover the registration of all those students. The next icon that you see here is the charts and graphs icon. So if you were to click that icon, it's going to show you graphical representations of different things that are happening within your course. So for instance, you can look at monthly registration and completion information, progress timelines, and grade timelines if you wish. The final icon here is the Offering Gradebook, and this is where you're going to go to deep dive into registration or student activities within that particular course offering. If you were to click on any student name that you would see listed here, you could dive down into their particular registration. You can go as deep as looking at how they answered a certain question on a specific test if you wish. This is where you'll also go to reset course elements. You can add grades or change grades. You could even reactivate certain course content. So if you needed to give them another shot at a test, you would do all of that here. Likewise, you have an export feature. So if you wanted to export content from the Instructor Gradebook, here you can pre-select what fields it is, or what columns rather, that you would like to export from the gradebook, and whatever your filtered view is at that particular time of export, it would export whatever columns you select from the report.